Welcome to this calculus tutorial on finding arc length. In this video, we are going to learn exactly how to calculate the precise distance along a curving path using integration. By the end, you will understand where the formula comes from and how to use it. Why is this a difficult problem? Well, if we had a straight line, measuring the length would be trivial using a ruler or the standard distance formula. But a curve changes direction constantly. We cannot just draw a straight line from start to finish because that would ignore the actual path taken. The strategy we use in calculus is to zoom in. If you look at any smooth curve very closely, it begins to look like a straight line. For these tiny sections, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, calculating the square root of delta x squared plus delta y squared. We can approximate the entire length of the curve by breaking it into several straight line segments. We connect points along the curve and sum up the lengths of these individual chords. This gives us a rough estimate, but it is not perfect yet. To get the exact length, we need to use limits. As we increase the number of segments to infinity, each segment becomes infinitesimally short. The polygonal path approaches the actual shape of the curve perfectly. This transforms our sum into an integral. Let's look at the math for a single tiny segment, called dl. By factoring out dx squared from the square root, we can rewrite the expression. We end up with the square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared, all multiplied by dx. Notice that dy over dx is just the derivative, or slope, of the function. This leads us to the fundamental arc length formula. The length L equals the integral from a to b of the square root of 1 plus the derivative of f of x squared. With respect to x, you need three things: the boundaries, the derivative squared, and the square root calculation. Let's try a concrete example. We want to find the length of the curve y equals 2 times x to the 3/2 power, from x equals 0 to x equals 1. This is a standard problem that illustrates the technique perfectly. First, we find the derivative. The derivative of 2x to the 3/2 is 3x to the 1/2. Second, we square this derivative. 3x to the 1/2 squared becomes 9x. Finally, we plug this into our formula. 1 plus 9x goes inside the square root. Now we set up the integral from 0 to 1 of the square root of 1 plus 9x, using a simple u substitution where u equals 1 plus 9x. We can integrate this power function. Evaluating the result from the limits 0 to 1 gives us approximately 2.27. To summarize, arc length is just an infinite sum of tiny Pythagorean hypotenuses. Remember to take the derivative, square it, add 1, and then integrate the square root. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your calculus studies.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.